just hit the back of my car.
Yeah. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
Just had a milkshake over here and I'm heading back to Bangalore. Chennai. My GoPro is charging and the files are copying over there. So till then, I won't be able to shoot any video for like 15 minutes. Let's get going. Alright, I'm somewhere 60 kilometers away from Chennai and the sky is very, very clear, man. I was expecting cyclone and all, but it's very normal now. It's very normal and hot as usual. I think it will take 1 hour for me to reach 1 or 1.5 hours due to the traffic. Ooh, that was too close. I don't know from where these lorry drivers get confidence from. I think we have to take right here. What the? I've been to Chennai so many times, but I don't know why I feel like this is the first time I'm going through this road, via this road. Never saw this. Google map is showing and I'm going, man. This road looks like a Trichy road. I love Trichy roads, man. Trichy roads are next level. And even Chennai city roads are awesome. I'm waiting to enter the city first of all. Once I went in lockdown to Chennai. I had my EcoSport that time. Sunday afternoon in lockdown. Roads were empty and I was playing with my EcoSport like anything. It's 11 o'clock almost, man. And it's getting hot. Seriously hot. I didn't expect this. I was at least expecting clouds. No, man, this shouldn't be the way. This kind of road to enter such a huge city. I think I have taken some shortcut or something like that. Great job, amazing job, next level job. No riding gear, no shoes, nothing, no helmet, no mask. Only one t-shirt and pancha. That too riding with single hand. Changing lanes, no side mirrors also. That guy should be in Tihar jail right now. What to do? And look at this guy talking in phone and going. Can't complain, man. Everybody does mistakes. Look at this. Now tell me who. There is no footpath for people, first of all, and there is no dedicated parking space. India is like that, man. Anyone can do anything. You can't complain, that's all. You just have to tolerate yourself and move on, that's all. Take it easy and keep moving. Shit. I feel like I'm in a driving school where there is a speed breaker in front of a very, very small turn. There is a speed breaker after the turn. There is a speed breaker during the turn. And between those two speed breakers, there are some potholes. The hell, how am I supposed to overtake this guy? When I have nothing to talk, I just complain. I complain so much until I get bored of complaints. What's wrong with the road, man? I'm getting late and the potholes are not leaving me. I almost broke my suspension. These are not potholes, man. These are manholes. How come these many potholes will form, man? Someone did it wantedly, I guess. 43 kilometers to go. Now the road is nice. What is this? This is not a pothole also. And that was not a speed breaker also. That was a Fucking dosa pan. Smart just hit the back of my car. That stupid Ford guy was overtaking a car in no overtake place. Let's go and check what happened. Nothing happened. It's not his mistake also, it's not my mistake also. That Sport guy was trying to overtake on that bridge and I thought he will brake, but he was coming on me, so I had to brake. These guys raise my BP for no reason. Take right over here and straight Chennai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. That's what people do if government increases petrol prices like that. And the board says Coimbatore is 40 kilometers from here. I lived in Chennai, man. I lived in Chennai for almost 3 to 4 months. I did my internship over here, so I know so many places. I used to roam with my friends near Santo Madayar and all every night. I really feel like I'm drunk, man, because of no sleep. I'm not sleepy, I'm tired, that's all. Are there any speed checks over here? I think RTO is coming. Whoa! The way these bus guys filter through traffic is unimaginable. Where are the floods, bro? Where are the floods? I'll better maintain 80 km/h, man. I don't want to risk. No point of wasting 1k. Even this guy is maintaining 80, so I'm just gonna set cruise control at 80 and cruise slowly. I think this is going to be the final toll of the day. Damn, I thought cops were stopping me. Anyways, I have everything except the number plate is not IND board. In Chennai police don't actually stop cars. I have seen so many times. They never stop. But Bangalore police will stop right after seeing a car from another state. 1 hour for 26 kilometers. Damn, I got confused for a second. The lorry is moving, but the tire is not moving. I thought my car is going back. And then I tapped hard on the brakes. Then I realized. వద్దు బ్రో వద్దురా నీ మంచి అసరా. The hell is happening? Is this a dust storm or what is it? I'm gonna turn off my AC, man. I don't want to ruin my filter. So much dust. But why? Damn, it's hot outside, bro. Okay, I guess this dust is because yesterday floods came, right? So all the mud from the water got stuck on the roads itself. Pulls in the city are the best. So finally I'm in the city. See, I told you, lovely roads, lovely flyovers. Chennai is full of flyovers and the speed limit is 30. What the hell? As I'm entering the city, the clouds are getting dense, man. Cops are looking at me, looking at my face, looking at my AP registration and trying to stop, but because of the traffic they are not able to. Okay bro, go bro, I got you. You can. I've done about 386 kilometers and got the average of 16.2 km per liter. Okay, not bad. What's up guys, it's 10 PM in the night and I checked in into this hotel. There is nothing much to show. There's a simple washroom and a simple bed, a simple cupboard, and guess what, for the first time I'm using this setup, the workstation in a room. Currently I'm copying